Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making delicious coconut rice in the rice cooker. This tastes amazing and it's super easy to make. So all you need is a rice cooker, and the ingredients in this recipe are brown jasmine rice, unsweetened coconut milk, a 13.5 ounce can, water, salt, coconut sugar or other granulated sugar, and shredded unsweetened coconut. So the first thing that we need to do is, almost the only thing we need to do, is stir our ingredients together in the rice cooker. You need 2 cups of brown jasmine rice, and you could use white rice if you like. So we have a 13.5 ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk. You can tell it's real coconut milk when half of it's solid. It will melt in the heat. So next we have 1.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, I like kosher salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, or you could use another granulated sugar. Actually, I'm going to use just so that was just 1 and a little. Kind of like 1 heaping tablespoon. So we have 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut that's not sweetened. So we just need to stir our ingredients all together. I like to use a wooden spoon because it doesn't scratch the pan. So if the coconut milk is still partly solid and has a lot of clumps like this one, what I like to do is I just turn the rice cooker on. It'll just warm it up a bit, and I'll stir it. When all the clumps are gone, I'll turn the rice cooker on. Most of the coconut milk is liquid now. The clumps are mostly gone. We're going to go ahead and turn the rice cooker on the brown rice setting if you're using brown rice. I think I'm going to just turn the rice cooker off and then turn it back on to make sure I get the settings right. Put it on brown rice. And we'll be back when the rice is done. After the rice has gone through the cycle, we're going to actually wait 10 more minutes before we open it. So we'll see you then. Okay, so our coconut rice is finished. So let's see how it is. So go ahead, carefully fluff it with a fork. Don't scrape your pot. It smells amazing. You can use a rice scoop too. It is so good, you would not believe how good this smells. So it's ready to serve. This is a perfect side dish for lots of meals. You could even have this for breakfast instead of cereal. And you could serve it like this, or you could garnish it with some extra coconut or toasted coconut. Toasted coconut is really nutty and sweet and good. If you're not sure how to toast coconut, check out my other lesson on how to toast coconut. Okay, so ready to try it. It's so good. You could sprinkle a little more salt if you'd like. Try it, let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you in the next lesson.